thank you for joining in with this video brought to you by Princess Dental Staffing. And if you couldn't join me for this morning's video, then that's okay. I'm glad that you can see it now. Okay, I'm glad that you're viewing it now. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's topic. Today's topic is compassion and RDHs, registered dental hygienists. Okay, and we're going to be talking about why compassion is a necessary skill to have as a hygienist. Okay, so firstly, when we talk about compassion, you might hear the term compassion, but you also might hear sympathy, empathy. You might even hear emotional intelligence. That's kind of a newer term, and it encompasses a little bit more than compassion. But basically, all these terms, what they mean is, the definition of these terms is basically being able to connect with somebody else and recognizing their thoughts and feelings and being able to respond appropriately to those thoughts and feelings. Okay, so it's reaching out and it's connecting with another person and being able to recognize those thoughts and feelings that they're having and responding appropriately. Okay, so this is basically what compassion, sympathy, empathy, those sorts of things, that's what they mean. So why is it important for hygienists to have compassion for their patients? Well, first and foremost, it builds trust with your patient. Okay, so having compassion builds trust with your patient, because then your patient can recognize that you understand what it is they're thinking, what it is that they're feeling. And that's very, very important, especially since so many people have a phobia of going to the dentist, right? That's a pretty common thing. People definitely have a phobia when it comes to going to the dentist and getting their cleanings twice a year and getting screened, all those sorts of things. It can be quite scary. You're working with somebody who has their fingers in your mouth and they have instruments go in your mouth. Sometimes it's painful, those sorts of things. So it's really important to have compassion and be able to relate to your patient so you can understand their experience, so that you can build trust and so that you can make that experience better and easier for them, right? So if you build that trust and if you make that experience as the best experience that it can be, it ensures that your patients come back when they need to, and that they let you know, they actually call your office when there is something wrong, right? So they don't wait and hope that toothache goes away, right? So that's why it's important for a hygienist to have compassion. Again, compassion is just relating to another person and being able to recognize those thoughts and feelings. And it's important because it helps establish trust and it makes for the best possible customer service experience, and it keeps them coming back. Okay, so that's what compassion is, why it's important for a hygienist to have compassion. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I promise next time, definitely be on time, and definitely will nip those technical issues in the bud. Okay, so until next time, guys, have a great day.